So I want to talk really briefly about sun exposure because that's a hugely important thing in vegetable gardens. And I think it's something that a lot of people struggle to understand if they're in a space that doesn't get totally full sun. And I just want to share this amazing tool with you all. So this is an app called Sunseeker that's widely available, and it's very inexpensive, and it's actually going to allow you to look through the camera on your phone and view where the sun is going to be at different times of year and different times of day. And it doesn't even matter if the sun's out, and we're going to show you how to use this tool right now. So when you open up the app, this is what you're going to see, and this is sort of a compass view, and you're going to be wanting to look kind of in the southern direction. And down on the bottom right here, you'll see 3D view. This is the most useful part of this app. So here we are in a part of my vegetable garden, and this is actually a great example because this is a space that even at this time of day doesn't get full sun. So I'm going to get down really where the plants are growing, or maybe where you're thinking about starting a garden. Get down low where those plants are going to be, and when you look up toward the horizon, you're going to see these 4 different lines. So that blue line is where the sun is going to be at the winter solstice. So dead of winter, the sun at this northern latitude has a much lower path in the sky, and we're less worried about the sun exposure that we're going to have at that time. What we're most interested in is sun from the spring equinox to the summer solstice and then the fall equinox. So that green line is where the sun is going to be at spring and fall equinox. So that's March 19th here. You can see sun's going to finally peek out of the roof line here a little after 11 a.m. And then this tree actually won't be leafed out at that time. So we're going to have sun all the way till 5:30, 6 p.m. That yellow line is where the sun is going to be today. So the sun is hiding behind the house. It's going to break out here about 11 a.m. We're going to be fully clearing that tree till 5 p.m. So we've got that 6 hours of direct sun. The red line, summer solstice. So a little bit earlier, 10 a.m. all the way to 5 p.m., about 7 hours of direct sun. And we're really looking for that 6 hours of direct sun in order to be able to grow a really wide diversity of crops. So yeah, hopefully this is helpful to you, and wish you the best in finding those sunny spots for your garden.